Hello trader, my name is Lina and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade on binary options. You'll find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies, even for beginners. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialog with me and write plus VIP.
I'll trade with the amount of $20. Let's see what happens. Let's get started with our trading. The first thing, we start on our workspace. $20 our daily amount, and the next 1 minute time frame on our chart, and I choose several concepts, more than 70% of the payout percentage. It's very important. And we will use our technical analysis and 2 indicators. So let's first about parabolic, the settings of this indicator. So it's located on our chart. Parabolic, this indicator seeks to recognize the right moments when to close the current position and open a new position. At its core, the indicator is similar to the overage, so the only difference is that it moves with different acceleration. Often simply, this indicator shows us the general trend and turning points. So, quite simple indicator. I'll show you how to use it in practice. And the second indicator, MACD, the settings. It's located at the bottom of the screen. In an uptrend, the current price is higher than the average price for the time period we have chosen. In a downtrend, on the contrary, the current price is lower than the average value over a certain period of time. The dynamics of these average prices and values can be displayed on the chart in the form of 2 lines. If we have such a green line, the moving one will even be more vertical than it means. And if the red one, it's decreasing trend. Also for bars, if the bar is green, this is an upward trend. This is an increase in the market. If it's red, then these are some drawdowns here. So that's it about the indicators. Quite simple indicators, I can say. So I'll show you how to use it in practice. Let's move on to the first concept. So here we are. We see drawdown. Let's open down deal also. Two red candles. Good. It says about downtrend. Tendency on upper pullback, and some points in the lower positions. By MACD we see red moving average is moving up. And bars, we see red bar on MACD. Good also. Yeah, plus deal also. Good. $38 is our profit. So here it was also possible to highlight the support area, so let's increase our deal amount to $38. So here we are in the next concept pair. Let's start our technical analysis. What we see here, drawdown, green candles, support area, we reached it. It was fake reversal, I think. The general trend continued to decline. The downward trend can also be seen in our position. Next, what we else can see here? Yeah, but bars, the same situation. 4 seconds left until the end of our deal. We move on to the lower position. Yep, plus deal. $34. Our profit, that was our second. And let's move on to the third concept. And I want to remind you about my YouTube channel and about my Telegram channel. You can find there many useful information about trading and my videos with the trading. So you can find the links in the description. So good. $73. And we move on. Here we are in the next concept pair. Let's open down deal and we start our technical analysis. What we see here, first, by parabolic we see trend reversal, downward trend. Also on general technical analysis we clearly see a downward trend. Red bars prevail. The previous pair is quite confidently red. This indicates the confidence of our trend to a lower position. The red bars indicate the decline. Let's see. Yeah, good, excellent. $67, I think. Yeah, good. Let's increase our deal amount to 40. We move on to the next concept. Here we are. Let's open up and we start our technical analysis. Yeah, we are in a state of growth. It's slowly. This consolidation will smoothly turn into growth. Confidence, green candles, then red ones. Market C, we see consolidation. And also the last range we have is the red bar, but still they approach to the zero mark. The trend is not changing. Yeah, great. Plus deal, $128. And I remind you that you can copy these tradings, these videos in my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description. $269. Here we are. down TL. By parabolic, we see changing of our trend. At this point, we begin to find an upper position. Further, what we see by technical analysis, it's going down, so we'll approximately move towards this level of support. Red prevails. Let's see. 17 seconds left until the end of our TL, and we are below our opening points. 10 seconds. Let's see. 4. Great. This deal also losses and profit. The total profit is exactly 215. Let's increase the deal amount. And we'll move on to the next concept. Here we are. Down deal, and we start our technical analysis. We see that we have certain level of support. Most likely it will be overcome since our trend is very strong and all the candles are absolutely red. The trend will most likely go even lower. So a parabolic, it was change reversal, 3 points. Trend is relatively new. According to MACD indicator, we also just crossed the red. Bars also show this. We have a red bar formed. The 0 mark was also crossed. Five seconds left until the end of our deal. Let's wait. Yeah, great. This deal is a plus. And let's move on to our last concept. Let's reduce who wants to take that risk anymore to $100. Let's move on. Last concept up. So if we also highlight a certain level of support here, we see that we have achieved it. Yeah, we reached it. The chart has risen and moved into relatively certain consolidation. What we see here also. Green candles. By parabolic, we see trend changing. Two lines. We see. Let's see. 8 seconds left until the end of our deal. At this point, we are near our opponent point. It's quite nice. Great, this deal is in plus. Our profit is $85. So let's finish our trading session for today. Our balance, it's very important. It was $20 at the beginning of our video. Now it's more than $1,000. It's very good. So about settings, 1 minute time frame. We used concept bars, you can see it, 2 indicators and our technical analysis, so you can see the settings. You can copy it and use it in your trading. And MACD. So I think that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.